Hey guys, Jenny Strebe here, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous romantic look. And get this, it's only with 2 loops and a couple products. Let's go and get started. Okay, for this look, what we're gonna do is section out the front pieces for later. So I like to take a simple diagonal back section on both sides, and then we're just gonna simply clip those away for later. We're gonna split the hair in half, so a little bit above the ear, at a slight kind of almost like a half moon shape. Then we're going to secure a ponytail. All right, because her hair is so thick, I'm actually using a couple elastics in one shot here. I'm just going to over direct the hair up. And then we're going to create a second ponytail directly underneath this one. Now we're going to create 2 loops in both of these ponytails. So you're just going to do that by creating an elastic here, creating a ponytail, and then looping the hair through. So the last pull through, you just don't want to pull the hair all the way through. So you can see we've created our first loop. We're going to do the same thing on the top section. Now that we have our 2 loops, we're just going to simply take the bottom loop and pull it over the top loop, and then we're going to fan the hair out. Now we're going to go ahead and add some texture air for a little grip. This is going to really allow the hair to stay up and full. Now the hair that's left out, we're just going to strategically pin it into place. And this is going to be really done by visually placing it. So fill in any gaps. So I'm simply just going to fold it over and pin it into place. Now we're going to drop the sections off of the sides and pull them back. And again, just kind of fold the hair into place. Before doing so, I'm just going to do some light teasing. We're going to add a little bit of that Flexible Hold Hairspray by AIIR Professional. Lightly tease. We're going to brush out the top layer so you can't see any of that teasing in there. We're just going to drape it across. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. We're going to lightly curl the front pieces away from the face. Then we're going to go ahead and finish this look out by using a little bit of styling paste by AIIR Professional on the ends. Now this is gonna add a lot of separation. It's gonna actually add a lot of moisture to the hair as well. So I like to put a little on my fingertips, rub it in my fingers, and then just kind of go through the tendrils, hold on to it, and really rub the product in to the very ends. Then for some long-lasting hold, we're gonna go ahead and finish it off with Flexible Hold Hairspray. Spray all over, and that is about it. This gorgeous romantic style. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely check out AIIR Professional products.